Hello everyone, 大家好。Today I'm going to talk about why native speakers never say 不有。有 is an exceptional verb and people never say 不有 for the negative form of 有。Instead, 没有 is the correct word to use, no matter is the past tense, present tense, or future tense. 有 is an all-in-one verb because it could mean have, has, or had. And if you want to say there is, there are, there was, and so on in Chinese, you should also use the word 有. Let's make a few sentences using the word 没有。昨天我没有时间。昨天我没有时间。This means yesterday I didn't have time. 今天我没有时间。今天我没有时间。This means today I don't have time. 明天我没有时间。明天我没有时间。This means tomorrow I won't have time. 昨天学校没有学生。昨天学校没有学生。This means there were no students in the school yesterday. 现在学校没有学生。现在学校没有学生。This means there are no students in the school now. 明天学校没有学生。明天学校没有学生。This means there won't be any students in the school tomorrow. So please always use or say 没有 instead of 不有。谢谢，再见。